Hello everyone, as you can see on the table is Makita angle grinder, and customer stated that it's not working, and I had repaired it, I don't know, 4 months ago maybe, and it was a switch if I could remember. So now of course I will try to turn it on as I remove the flanges. It's a strange feeling when pressing it. Okay, but it's not working. So we need to open it, of course. I hate that cords. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, of course, we can try to check the armature. And yeah, the armature not looks good. Okay, but we can still troubleshoot it to find out, maybe it's a cord problem. And first thing for the cord, we will check the continuity. Okay, brown is good. The blue, yeah, seems to be good. Okay, I think I will remove that cord. I hate it. And now my concern is the armature and the brushes. I will move the brushes to check if they are moving. Yep, they are moving. Okay, so now I will try to turn it on again. Now this time I want to hear the click sound. I don't like that, how the switch is working. Okay, but now as I turn it on, we need to measure the voltage on this one. I have 245, and now when it's turned, it must be no voltage drop. So that means our cord is good. And I think what I will do, I will try to check the switch. And it's full of dust again. Okay, the water's here. Okay, and slowly getting it out. And we have the switch here. And yeah, if I would remember, I have just cleaned the switch when I have repaired it. Okay, why I cannot take you out. Okay, and now we can check the switch. It must be continuity on it. And we have no continuity on a switch, so that means our switch is faulty. And now I need to, okay, I can take it apart, but I think I will be needed for a new switch here, because this one failed for the second time. Oopsiek. The second screwdriver. The knife will be good for this one. Okay, I cannot remember how I have disassembled it. It looks pretty the simple switch. Maybe the rubber needs to be pushed out. Okay, we have the rubber here, and here we have the switch itself. Okay, I got it now, and yeah, we have the metal plate here, and it basically touches the okay, we have the spring inside. I will try to take this one out. Yeah, this one, and we can see that the I will zoom it in. We'll try to use the digital zoom here, and we can see that this part here is burned. Of course, I can clean it, and I think it will run again. And this part here is burned. I will try to find the switch. I think I have replacement switch for this one. And okay, I have found a replacement switch for this one, so we'll put a new switch. Of course, we can test it. Now the switch is turned on. You can hear the beep sound. Now it's turned off. It's no beep sound. Turn it on. Beep sound. Okay. This one goes to the recycle bin. Okay, now this one is turned on, so it must be like that. This one goes forward. There's our cover. Okay. Getting the parts back. forgetting to connect the brush holder. Okay, now we are manipulating the wires, and okay, the wires are good. I will close it because I don't want to see how it sparks, and it will spark the motor, I think. And yeah, this will not last very long because of the armature. But for this model, the armature is not worth to change. It's too expensive. Okay, so now the grinder is turned off, plugging it in and testing it. Yep. We have it working. Okay, so we have it working back again, and it's a well-used grinder. The fault was simple, and I think the fault is because the motor are taking the more amperes, the more power needed because of the worn out, and maybe because of that the switch failed for the second time. Okay, for now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Bye.